Hi everybody, this is Alex Diaz with Vista Alegre Rentals, and today I wanted to do a special episode on artificial intelligence. The reason why I wanted to do a special episode on artificial intelligence is because our vacation rental industry is changing, our life is changing. We're now using smartphones, we're using smart TVs, and smart devices like the one that I'm going to talk about to make our lives easier. This particular type of device can control music in your apartment. It can give you instructions on how to use the washer and dryer, on how to use the dishwasher. You can control the temperature in your room. You can also provide additional information to guests on what to do in the area, the history of the place, where to shop, where to eat, what to do on a rainy day, what's the weather going to be like this week. These are all very specific information that our guests will have at their fingertips in each and every one of our condos. We plan to launch in 7 or 10 condos this year, and we will increase that as our owners get more comfortable using this type of device. We're going to do a couple of examples. We're going to show you how she works, and I hope you leave some comments if you have any questions on how to order this device on the net and how to train her as well. Don't hesitate. Give us a call, email us. We'll show you how to do it. You ready? Okay, let's begin. Alexa, how are you?
I came down with the case of the acting bug, but I've got it out of my system, for now.
Alexa, stop. So you can order this device on Amazon. It's around $100. The skill you need to download is free. It is a little intimidating at the beginning. It might take you more than 3 days or 4 days, sometimes even more than a week, depending on the amount of information you want her to be able to provide to your guests. Okay, you ready? Let's begin with how she's going to greet our guests in the units. Alexa, use concierge service.
Welcome to V177204 at Puerto Vallarta. Say, help, at any time to get some tips. Would you like information on the condo, places in the area, or more choices?
Information on the condo, please.
Would you like to hear info about Wi-Fi or climate control?
Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi is available. The name of the Wi-Fi is Infinitum 653D, and the password is 3,602,598,324.
As you can see,
Okay.
she comes in 3 different colors: white, black, and charcoal. These sleeves are, you can change them. You can buy them for about $20. So you can, and you can place them in different rooms. You can also place 1, 2, or 3 in your home or condo, and you can connect them as a group, which is really cool. That way you can have music playing in different areas at the same time. Next, Alexa, use concierge service.
Welcome to V177204 at Puerto Vallarta. Say, help, at any time to get some tips. Which would you like? The condo, places in the area, or more choices?
Places in the area.
Would you like to hear about restaurants, stores, or local attractions?
Restaurants.
There's more than 50 restaurants only in Romantic Zone area. Some of our recommendations are Lapa Lapa, a tropical Mexican cuisine that combines Mexican with Asian and French elements, located in Los Muertos Beach. If you want some seafood, you may like the Blue Shrimp Restaurant. The menu also includes authentic Mexican specialties, steaks, salads, soups, and more.
Alexa,
they are
stop.
also Okay.
Alexa, can you tell me the history of the area?
In the 5th century BCE, Hippocrates of Chios was
Alexa,
the first to
stop.
show that.
Alexa, use concierge service.
Welcome to V177-204 at Puerto Vallarta.
More
Say,
choices.
help, at any time to get some tips. Would you like information on the condo, places in the area, or more choices?
More choices.
Here's some more options. Say 1 for our office, 2 for local events,
I'm
or
gonna show you
3
something
for
cool.
transportation. Or say, more choices.
More choices.
Which would you like? Say 1 for safety information, 2 for emergency contacts, or 3 for history of the place.
History of the place. This is gonna be fun.
Playa Los Muertos has 3 legends. First legend states that many years ago on this beach, pirates came ashore and stole what they could. They would take advantage of the habitants and would constantly create battles. There was once a big battle created and many people and pirates were killed at the site, and that is why it was called Playa Los Muertos. Another legend states that this beach was once a cemetery, and when they started civilization they had to build another one but kept the name Playa Los Muertos because it was a cemetery and the time. The third legend states that long ago, when Puerto Vallarta was just a small port, pirates came to hide their treasures. One day on a full moon, the captain, who was the only one who knew where the treasure were hid, could not remember where they were put and realized all his treasures were buried. When he did not find anything, he sent the other pirates to search. After long hours of searching, pirate found a large fortune. He realized it was the treasure. Seeing that, he did not want to share the information. Soon all the pirates realized he had
Alexa,
found the
stop.
fortune and... Okay.
So now we have gone over the different ways that artificial intelligence can impact your life. It can impact our industry, how owners, property managers, and guests are going to benefit from this by providing local information, reasons for coming back to Puerto Vallarta, and they're just not going to have to rely on anybody else. And this information is coming from the web. If you have any questions on how to order Alexa or how to train her, don't hesitate to give us a call, email us, or send us a message. Thank you for watching. Alex Diaz, your friend in real estate and property rentals in Puerto Vallarta.